Cognition Therapeutics is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company that develops small molecule therapeutics for age-related degenerative diseases and central nervous system disorders. Their lead product, zervimesine, CT1812, targets diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia with Lewy bodies by preventing pathogenic protein binding. Phase 2, trials for Alzheimer's and dementia with Lewy bodies have shown promising results. Their trials have been funded by $171 million in grants from the National Institute of Aging. Zervimesine has been well tolerated and received fast-track designation from the FDA for Alzheimer's disease. Ongoing research explores its potential to slow cognitive decline and synaptic loss. Alzheimer's disease is believed to be caused by the age-related buildup of toxic proteins, including amyloid beta, AV, which bind to receptors and disrupt cellular processes. Zervimesine targets AD by selectively displacing AV oligomers bound to neuronal receptors at synapses, potentially protecting synapses, facilitating restoration, and improving cognitive performance. Zervimesine is designed to protect neurons from the toxic effects of pathogenic protein species, specifically AV and A-synuclein oligomers, which are associated with AD and DLB. The company believes that zervimesine represents a promising approach to synaptoprotective therapeutics where neurons remain viable and functional. Current FDA-approved treatments for AD include monoclonal antibodies like Leqembi, lecanemab, and Kisunla, donanemab, which slow cognitive decline by reducing AV plaques and protofibrils. Other approved therapies manage symptoms but don't modify the disease progression. Zervimesine's approach differs from these treatments, and its potential to work in synergy with monoclonal antibody treatments makes it an interesting candidate. In the Phase 2 SHINE study, participants with mild to moderate AD treated with zervimesine experienced a 38% slowing of cognitive decline compared to placebo-treated participants, while a pre-specified analysis identified plasma p-tau2, 17 as a biomarker that may predict optimal therapeutic response. Additionally, zervimesine has been generally well tolerated, with liver enzyme elevations observed in some participants at higher doses. Cognition Therapeutics' strategy involves advancing the clinical development of zervimesine in mild to moderate AD and earlier stages of the disease. They are evaluating zervimesine in patients with mild dementia associated with early-stage AD through the COG0203 START clinical trial funded by an $81 million grant from the National Institute of Aging, NIA. The company also intends to develop product candidates for other CNS and degenerative diseases, including synucleinopathies like Parkinson's disease and DLB, as well as expand its pipeline through internal development, in-licensing, and acquisitions. They plan to leverage their expertise in drug development and business development to evaluate additional product candidates and potentially bring forward novel chemical matter. Cognition Therapeutics retains all worldwide rights to zervimesine for all indications and plans to develop and pursue approval in major markets, potentially through collaborations or partnerships. For more on Cognition Therapeutics and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.